Hi, here is Navdeep Kaur, and my student number is 200505806. This is a business segment of work communication subject by Professor Madeline Khan. So, my first question is, how has COVID-19 impact on the depression among the 15 to 24 age adolescents? So, there is a research that I had is 87% of the youth aged between 15 to 30 is extremely concerned in the impact of depression. So there is a depression of their health, workload, civic disorder, and more. So there is a second and third question about the COVID-19 impact on a female professor as well as the elementary school teachers in Ontario. So and the female, there is a three main reason that impact on the more female relative to men. So there is a main impact that childcare responsibilities, three main reasons as division of labor as well as education of remote learning, moreover development opportunity including career process. So about the elementary school teachers, they're highly stressed and distressed at that time, poor mental health condition because of the online studies, as well as the research shows that 17% of the teachers have symptoms about high depressions. So here is a conclusion of three articles that has impact. The first is the impact of COVID-19 on a woman and school. After that, there is a third one is school staff and teachers during COVID-19, as well as the result of the Canadian health care about the in the COVID situation. So here's a reference from did the this assignment. Took help from that articles. There is a researches references of that article. So thanks. Hope you will enjoy this assignment and you understand what I am talking about. Thanks.